In this video, we are going to see about oil palm crop Ileis guineensis. It belongs to the family called Palmae. Its native is Southwest Africa. From oil palm, two oils are extracted. One is palm oil. It is extracted from pulp of the fruit. Another one is palm kernel oil. It is extracted from the kernel. The varieties of oil palm of Dura, Tenera and Piscifora.
Next one, climate condition. Temperature is 21 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius.
Annual rainfall is 200 cm. Relative humidity is 75 to 100%. Altitude is 450 to 900 meter above mean sea level. Next one, soil condition. Moist, deep, loamy soils rich in humus with good water permeability are suitable. Next, soil pH is 4 to 6. Next one, nursery techniques. Fruits are separated from the bunch. Remove the exocarp and mesocarp with knife. Dry the seeds on concrete or wooden floors under shade for 2 days and stored for 3 to 9 months. Seeds are soaked in water for 5 days. In this case, we have to changing the water daily and spread out to dry for 24 hours. Dried seeds are put in 250 kg and 23 into 13 centimeter size polythene bags filled with topsoil, sand and well decomposed cattle manure in equal proportions and placed for germination. Germination starts 10 to 12 days. Apply fertilizer mixture containing 15:15:6 of NPK at 8 gram in 5 liters of water for 100 seedlings. Next one, planting. Pitch size occurs of 60 centimeter cube. Planting can be done in triangular system with spacing of 9 meter into 9 meter into 9 meter, accommodating 140 palms per hectare. May to June is suitable season for planting. Next, irrigation. Yielding palm of 3 years age and above. Minimum of 150 liters per day required. Drip irrigation. 5 hours of irrigation per day using 4 drippers per palm at 8 liters of water per hectare per dripper. Next, ablation. Removal of all inflorescence during the initial 3 years to gain adequate stem girth, vigor and root system. Ablation is done at monthly intervals by pulling out the young inflorescence. Next one, manuring. For 5-year-old palm, applying 50 kg compost of FIM or green leaves may be applied. Next one, fertilizer schedule. Fertilizer applied in form of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium sulfate gram per palm per year. In the first year, 400 east, 200 east, 400 east, 125. Second year, 800 east, 400 east, 800 east, 250. Third year onwards, 1200 east, 600 east, 1200 east, 500. Two equal split doses on July to August and December to January.
The major disease of oil palm are stem wet rot, bud rot disease, basal stem rot. Stem wet rot is treated by removal of infected portion and protective covering with 1% of carbendazim with monocrotopus 1 ml paste. Next, bud rot disease. It is treated by affected crown should be removed and drenched with carbendazim or therum at 1%. Next, basal stem rot is treated by removal and destruction of diseased palms and apply 5 kg of neem cake per year per tree. Root feeding with calyxin 10 ml or 10 kg aerofungin soluble in 100 ml of water per tree per year. Next, harvesting. First harvest can be done 3.5 to 4 years after planting. Few ripe fruits or loose fall off indicates the bunch is ready for harvest. In young palms, chisel harvesting is followed. If the palms become taller, then harvesting is done by hook. Harvesting round should be made as frequent as possible to avoid over ripening of bunches. Harvesting rounds of 10 to 12 days are generally practiced. During rainy season, harvesting rounds of 6 to 7 days are followed. Next, yield was 25 to 30 tons of fresh fruit bunches per hectare.